Hey all you quarantine YouTubers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be working on a custom bobber. We've got some 14-inch Ape Hangers and we are trying to pull the control wiring through those handlebars, which is a pain in the ass. Alright, so this here is the bike, and what's difficult about this is trying to get through the little hole in here. Pull your wires through, back out of here. Alright, so I got a little trick for this. It involves a piece of yarn, small piece of wire, and some compressed air. So we'll get started on this so you can see how I do this job. You're going to need a piece of plastic. I'll take a little small piece of plastic bag, probably about that much. Then you're going to get you about a 6-foot piece of yarn. Just tie a knot around it. Just a little one single knot. That's fine. Just something to hold it. Take this, you're going to shove it in the tube from the middle here. About like that. Then we're going to take some compressed air and apply the compressed air right behind the yarn. That'll blow it right out the end of the tube. Here we go. Alright. Now I went ahead and attached a piece of 18 gauge wire to the other end of the yarn. Should allow for me to fish this right through. Alright, so now I've got the wire pulled through. Pull my yarn off. And that's going to allow me to tie my wiring harness onto the wires. So let's get another view of this. Alright, so this is the end of my wiring harness. I went ahead and I've staggered these wires because you want to have your profile as small as possible when you're pulling through that tube. You want it to be about as small as possible. So I'll get it tied onto here. Alright, so I've tied these wires together, put a little tape around them, and we're going to attempt to pull these through these handlebars now. We're just going to fish it on through, trying to push a little bit at a time through. I've already got the end of the first wire. We can get the rest of these wires to go through that 90-degree bend. We'll be all right. It is a tight turn. And they're going to want to hang up. Just got to keep wiggling, pulling on them. Try to get as much slack pushed into the handlebars so that you're not pulling straight across this 90. Try to push your wires down. What you want to do is try to push it down as much as you can so they'll meet the turn. So you want to feed as much as you can in there. Feed a little, pull a little at a time out if it wants to go. Slowly working it, it's coming slowly. still like to feed some slack in there if you can. Kind of the secret to the pull is the amount of slack you can push into the bar, because if you can get it to ripple up through here, it kind of push it down to the 90. Otherwise, you're trying to pull straight across that 90, and it is kind of sharp inside the handlebars. So get as much slack as you can on there, and that should do it right there. Got the end of all my wires. And that's my trick that I use. There may be some other tricks out there that are easier, but for me, blowing a piece of yarn through the handlebars is the fastest and most simple way that I know of doing this. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and we'll be getting more videos of this RevTech 100 cubic inch chopper as I'm putting it back together. I got the paint fender and all that now being sent out for paint, and once my dad gets done with doing the painting on those, we'll give you an update and show you what the color's going to be and how it looks. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, and God bless.